Let us discuss today about the importance of learning and development. But please remember one thing that this discussion of importance of learning and development, I'm taking it because very soon we will be discussing about strategic learning and development. So I thought before discussing strategic learning and development, it is always better to have a relook and understand into some detail as to the importance of learning and development. As we have discussed in earlier session, uh, we are clear in today's world, one thing is very sure, and that is today's world is characterized by rapidly changing technology. You are all aware as to how new technologies are emerging in this world. You take, for example, you 2G. From 2G, we moved from 2G to 3G, 3G to 4G, and now 5G is expected. So you take any sector where technology is moving very fast. So in today's fast changing technology, organizations certainly need to learn a lot, upgrade their skills, upgrade their knowledge on a continuous basis. If this adoption does not take place, then definitely there are very less chances of that organization maintaining a competitive advantage. So rapidly developing technology is one of the very important factor, in learning and development, which learning and development can help with the right learning strategies and learning and development practices and policies. Definitely organization can formulate their policy and plan to face this onslaught of fast developing technology. This is point number one. Point number two, because of the rapidly changing technology, we all know today's world, what sort of world it is. It is called as the VUCA world, which we have seen in our earlier session. A volatile world, ambiguous world, complex world, characterized by complexity. So, in today's fast changing world, unless organizations learn and adapt to the continuous ongoing changes very fast, then such organizations tend to remain behind their competitors. So, a VUCA world makes it very essential for organizations to learn on a continuous basis. So the first factor, importance of learning and development, is a fast changing technology. And secondly, we have seen today's world, nothing is certain. Everything is complex and very ambiguous. We cannot predict anything in this world. So today's world is one thing. When it is characterized by VUCA world, organizations need to be more agile, more dynamic, and adjust to the changing environment. This is the second reason. And third reason is, as we have understood, the change is coming very fast. So, how organizations can cope up with the onslaught of fast coming changes? Environment, everything is changing. Technology is changing, environment is changing, legal environment. So many things are changing. When so many changes are taking place, how organizations manage change is also very important in today's world. That is how it adds to the importance of learning and development. And also, we have seen that when organizations adopt the culture of learning and development, definitely, and I'm quite sure employees working in that organization will be getting improved on their updated, in fact, on their skills, knowledge, and everything related to do a job. So in this way, I can say that learning and development enhances employability. That is the third point. And employability is enhanced. Naturally, employees will feel more confident and their market value is enhanced. This adds to their own profile, their own CV. So naturally, such employees are more motivated and more committed. In addition to this, one more importance of learning and development is when an organization adopts the culture of learning and development, naturally such organization can attract more talented employees into their company, because naturally a very prospective and talented employees would like to work in companies which provides them further growth in terms of further developing their skills and knowledge. So learning and development culture can also help organization attract lot of talent, and also retain the talent which is required to do business. As we understand, it is the talent which drives business for organizations. So retaining the talent is very important. And one more reason I can tell you for the importance of learning and development is when companies embark on a continuous process of learning and development, naturally it is adding to more skills, more knowledge, more latest technology, and employees are subjected to more challenges. So this naturally will give rise to more innovation and creativity. So employees or such an organization embarking on learning and development can come out with more innovative, creative ideas, products and services to offer for the market. And in this way, such organization can also add to their competitive advantage. So of course, by doing all these things, we have already seen that such organizations who embark on learning and development are more adaptive, and also they adapt to the coming onslaught of changes, and also they remain agile always in terms of competition. And one more thing is learning and development focuses on attainment of business objectives. So when we have a proper learning and development function in the organization which is aligned to the business strategy of the organization, naturally such L&D function can ensure a sustained competitive advantage for organization. So there are many advantages of learning and development. Please remember, training and development is one where the company will do something to the employees, something in the sense the company will help the employees to learn new skills and knowledge. So company will be doing something to the employees in case of training and development. Whereas in learning and development, the employees will on their own take a more proactive step. They are on their own, they are interested to something in the sense they are more interested to learn new skills, new knowledge, new set of behaviors of doing a job very effectively, new attitudes. They will be more confident, and they will be more encouraged. They will be more encouraging to come forward and suggest new ideas in the company. That is how these are, I should say, some of the important points regarding the importance of learning and development. I will again repeat very quickly the importance of learning and development. First of all, point number one is technology is changing fast in today's world. So if you do not learn and if you do not grow, you are lagging behind the competition. So technology is a very predominant factor. And secondly, today's world is a VUCA world. Everything is uncertain. Entire economy, entire business world, the legal environment, entire business world in the world itself is changing so fast that nothing is remaining constant. So in this fast changing world, VUCA world, the best strategy that learning that organizations can adopt is called as a learning and development. And thirdly, learning and development. When companies embark on learning and development, it helps employees to enhance their own employability in terms of their own skill, knowledge, new set of behaviors, new attitude, new confidence. So that is how learning and development can help not only to retain talented employees, but to attract external talent into the organization. After all, as we know, it is the talent which makes business difference, which can get the talent is the one factor which can really get the business results for companies. And such talent should needs to be nurtured, and that can happen only in learning and development. And one more thing, we have understood that when organizations adopt learning and development on a continuous basis, employees are become more innovative, more creative, because there are a lot of challenges which are thrown open to employees. In this way, companies can come out with more innovative and more creative products and services to offer for the customers, because today's customers are highly demanding. They want more and more benefits, less and less cost. This is possible only with learning and development, adopting a proper learning and development culture. So today's organization, by having all these things, by having a suitable learning and development culture, are able to remain. They are able to. Such companies are able to adapt to the changing environment. Okay, they remain always agile and dynamic, so that they can face the competitive world. So these are some of the benefits. Of course, there are lot many benefits when a company embarks on a culture of learning and development. So this is in a quick revision of the importance of learning and development. And very soon we will discuss the strategic learning and strategic learning and development very soon. Okay, thank you very much.